I'm Richard Beck. This is Beck's Armory, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to make this nice decorative bowl here. So stick around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and smash the like button, guys. That really helps out. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, so once it starts to get close, now we're going to take it over to the press Next time I'm going to draw a line down the middle so I can remember where the center is. Because of course it naturally wants to turn into a potato chip. And the more you shape this, it work hardens and its shape makes it more and more rigid, which makes it harder and harder to continue to shape. So let's go take it over the press and try it out. So we're getting close. And at this point, it's hard to open my hands. But basically, this thing should start to look like a big turtle shell. It takes a ton of hammering. Now, maybe I should have started with 18 gauge instead of 14 gauge. But the finished product on a 14 gauge is just a lot more impressive than an 18 gauge. But it takes a lot more time. Even if I fast forward this at like 1600%, it's going to be the longest video ever. So I'm going to go ahead and stop right here. I'll come back. I'll show you the finished product. Basically, all you're going to see is more of the same until right about now. All right, after lots and lots and lots of hammering, we have a fairly uniform bowl. Now, it's not perfectly uniform, but that's the idea. Art is not symmetrical. Unless you're an engineer, which I am for my day job, but the imperfections is what gives it its character. So I'm not going to get it too perfect, and now I'm going to forge some feet, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I've got two pieces of this. I think it's 5/16 or 3/8 bar. Got two pieces exactly the same length, and I'm going to make some feet. Now, I don't know what these are going to look like because I haven't made them yet. And when I blacksmith, I don't really have a plan. I just swing the hammer until something happens and then I go with it. So, is what I'm kind of vaguely, I want to taper down the middle and then like bend it to look like feet. And then I'll tack weld it on with the actual welder. Or, I don't know, maybe it'll suck and I'll throw it away and do something different. This is the final product. It's fully hammered, and then I went ahead And I forged these, which I think I got some footage of that, which you've seen. And then I welded them on. Now, to make sure this doesn't rust, I heated the whole thing with the torch, and then I sprayed it with olive oil. And that basically seasons it, kind of like a iron skillet. It gives it kind of a cool color as well. Anyways, this is the final product. It's fun to make, and it makes a great Christmas gift. You can put, like, you know, fruit in there. I don't know. Whoever you give it to will figure out how to use it. But it's a fun little project. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Once again, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I will see you guys next time.